Multiple choice questions on machine design, part 10. Question number 91. The function of a washer is to option A. Provide cushioning effect. Option B. Provide bearing area. Option C. Absorb shocks and area. Option D. Provide smooth surface in place of rough surface. The correct answer is option B. Provide bearing area. Let us see the explanation. The most important function of washer is to provide bearing area, and washers are normally specified by their hole diameters. So the correct answer is option B, provide bearing area. Question number 92. A bolt of M24 into 2 means that option A, the pitch of the thread is 24 mm and depth is 2 mm. Option B, the cross-sectional area of the thread is 24 mm 2. Option C, the nominal diameter of bolt is 24 mm and the pitch is 2 mm. Option D, the effective diameter of the bolt is 24 mm and there are 2 threads per centimeter. The correct answer is option C. The nominal diameter of the bolt is 24 mm and the pitch is 2 mm. Let us see the explanation. A bolt M24 into 2 means where M stands for metric and number 24 is for nominal diameter or major diameter of bolt in mm and 2 is the pitch of the threads in mm. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 93. Eye bolts are used. Option A to prevent relative motion between two parts. Option B to absorb shocks and vibrations. Option C to lift and transport machines and heavy objects on shop floor. Option D to prevent loosening of threads in bolted assembly. The correct answer is option C to lift and transport machines and heavy objects on shop floor. Explanation. I-boats are used to lift and transport machines and heavy objects on shop floor. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 94. Allen key is used to tighten. Option A, cap screw with hexagonal head. Option B, cap screw with pilaster head. Option C, cap screw with hexagonal socket head. Option D, cap screw with flat head. The correct answer is option C, cap screw with hexagonal socket head. Explanation. Allen key or hex key used to tighten the screw with hexagonal socket head. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 95. The include angle in Acme threads is option A 30 degrees, option B 29 degrees, option C 31 degrees, option D 26 degrees. The correct answer is option B 29 degrees. Let us see the explanation. There are three main classes of Acme thread form, that is general purpose, second one centralizing and third one stud Acme. The general purpose and centralized thread form have a nominal depth of thread of 0.50 into pitch and have a 29 included thread angle. So the correct answer is option B 29 degrees. Question number 96. A bench voice is provided with option A V threads, option B BSW threads, option C buttress threads, option D Acme threads. The correct answer is option D Acme threads. You can see the Acme threads in the given figure of bench voice. Question number 97. The resilience of a bolt may be increased by option A increasing its shank diameter, option B increasing its length, option C decreasing its shank diameter, option D decreasing its length. The correct answer is option B, increasing its length. Let us see the explanation. The resilience of a bolt may be increased by increasing its length. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 98. When a nut is tightened by placing a washer below it, the bolt will be subjected to the following type of loads. Option A, compression. Option B, tension. Option C, shear. Option D, decreasing its length. The correct answer is option B, tension loads. Let us see the explanation. When a nut is tightened by placing a washer below it, the bolt will be subjected to tension loads. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 98. A screw is specified by its option A, major diameter, option B, minor diameter, option C, pitch, option D, pitch diameter. The correct answer is option A, major diameter. Let us see the explanation. A screw is specified by its major diameter. So the correct answer is option A, major diameter. Question number 100. Dash gear is used for non-parallel and non-intersection shafts. Option A, high powered. Option B, worm. Option C, helical. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, worm gear. Worm gear is used for non-parallel and non-intersection shafts. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.